Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these Pusheen inspired pumpkins, including this one with Pusheen hanging out, as well as this little logo pumpkin. So I'm going to start off with this pink one first of all, and I actually took this polystyrene pumpkin which I found in Home Bargains for 99p. It was in a silver glitter colour, and I decided to mix up some white acrylic paint as well as some kind of like fuchsia coloured pink to make this really nice pastel colour. I painted the whole entire pumpkin in this acrylic paint, and I actually did 2 coats in total just to make sure it was nice and opaque. Once the pumpkin was then fully pink, I just wrote out the word Pusheen with a pencil, and then with a paintbrush and some brown acrylic paint, it's kind of like a browny grey, you know, the Pusheen colour, I just wrote on the word Pusheen like the logo. For the second Pusheen pumpkin, you know, the one where it has Pusheen coming out of it, I used this light up pumpkin from Poundland, which obviously cost me £1. I removed all of the top so that it was just like a normal kind of carved pumpkin, and this pumpkin actually lights up, but I don't really like the colours in there so much. But yeah, just to let you know, this will light up if you want it to. So I mixed up a mint green colour and just painted the whole entirety of this pumpkin in that colour. So I painted the bottom bit as well as the top. Once that was dry, I then moved on and used some air dry clay, and I just rounded this out into a nice big fat ball in my hand and then popped it onto the edge of the pumpkin. I then rounded that out and shaped it so that it was more like Pusheen's kind of head, and then I took my scissors to make a little snip in the middle to make room for the ears so that I could kind of, you know, smooth them out and make it like Pusheen's head. I'm sorry, I'm really not used to doing these type of voiceovers, but anyway, I did actually get this design idea from the super cute kawaii blog where Andy did a Gudetama version one of these, but then I thought I'd mix it up and make it a little bit different and make it Pusheen, so I will leave that blog post down below. I also took 2 small balls of air dry clay and popped them onto the front of Pusheen to make it look like her paws were kind of, you know, hanging out of the pumpkin. And then I just took a barbecue skewer, stuffed that into Pusheen's body, and then like pushed it down a little bit so that that acted as a support throughout the top of the pumpkin. Once that was done, I then took the top of the pumpkin and just kind of pressed it down into the top of Pusheen's head so that once the clay dried, it just sort of had somewhere to sit. Once the air dry clay was then fully set and everything like that, I actually went ahead and I just painted on the face with some acrylic paint. To set my clay a little bit faster, I did actually put it by a like heating fan thingy for a couple of hours, and that seemed to have really set at least the outside, so I was able to paint it on. I then used the same grey colour just to paint the stalk and added loads of silver glitter to match the pink pumpkin that I started off with. So as you can see, this is what all of my pumpkins turn out like. I absolutely love them. I love this little one so much with Pusheen poking out. I think it's so adorable. I also absolutely love the pink one with the logo. I think the mix of the two together works really, really well. I did paint up some mini pumpkins as well in pastel colours just to kind of, you know, match in and just add a little bit of extra. So that's what these look like. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Bye!